ਹੈਲੋ, ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ, ਗੁੱਡ ਮਾਰਨਿੰਗ, ਗੁੱਡ ਆਫਟਰਨੂਨ, ਗੁੱਡ ਈਵਨਿੰਗ, ਨਮਸਤੇ। ਜਿੱਥੋਂ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਡਾ ਲਾਈਵ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂ ਰੀਪਲੇ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਅਸੀਂ ਹਰ ਟਿਊਸਡੇ ਐਂਡ ਹਰ ਥਰਸਡੇ ਲਾਈਵ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਐਂਡ ਅੱਜ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਗੈਸਟ ਨੇ, ਪੂਰਨਿਮਾ ਜੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜੇ ਨੇ। ਸੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਸਟੋਰੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸੁਣਾਂਗੇ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਪੂਰਨਿਮਾ ਜੀ ਵੈਬੀਨਾਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗਏ ਸੀਗੇ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਆਫਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਵਾਚ ਕਰੋ ਫ੍ਰੀ ਕੰਪਲੀਮੈਂਟਰੀ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਰਿਗਾਰਡਿੰਗ। ਸੋ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਸਟੋਰੀ ਸੁਣੀ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗੀ। ਸੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਸਟੋਰੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਵੀ ਆਉਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਮੇਰਾ ਛੋਟਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਇੰਟਰੋਡਕਸ਼ਨ, ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਰਮਨ ਕੌਰ ਕਲਾਰ, ਵੈਨਕੂਵਰ BC 'ਚ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਲੰਬੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਤੋਂ। ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਸਿੰਗਲ ਮਾਮ ਹਾਂ 3 ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੀ। ਐਂਡ ਸਾਡੇ ਇੱਕ ਡੌਗ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਮੰਮਾ ਜੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ। ਐਂਡ ਮੈਂ ਪ੍ਰਾਊਡਲੀ ਆਨਲਾਈਨ ਡਿਜੀਟਲ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਓਨਰ ਹੈਗੀ ਹਾਂ ਪਿਛਲੇ 4 ਸਾਲ ਤੋਂ। ਸੋ ਮੇਰਾ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਸੀ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ, ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਟਾਈਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਲਈ। ਸੋ ਮੇਨ ਮੇਰਾ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਇਹੀ ਸੀਗਾ, टाइम फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी। सो एंड थैंक यू सो मच पूर्णिमा जी कि आप हमारे पेज पर आज आए।
Thank you very much. First of all, my name is Purna, not Purnima. Purna.
Actually,
Purna.
yeah, Devinder ji can introduce herself first, and then after
Sure.
previous years, okay. So, Hanji Devinder ji.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ। ਜੋ ਵੀ ਸਾਡਾ ਲਾਈਵ ਦੇਖੋਗੇ ਜਾਂ ਰੀਪਲੇ ਦੇਖੋਗੇ ਐਂਡ ਤੱਕ ਬਣੇ ਰਹੋ। ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਰਮਨ ਕੌਰ ਕੁਲਾਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਲਾਈਵ ਆਉਣੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਟਿਊਜ਼ਡੇ ਐਂਡ ਥਰਸਡੇ। ਅੱਜ ਰਮਨ ਕੌਰ ਕੁਲਾਰ ਦੇ ਪੇਜ ਤੋਂ ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਨਾਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਏ ਜੋ ਕੱਲ ਤੱਕ ਅਣਜਾਣ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਰੂਹ ਦੇ ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇ ਬਣ ਗਏ ਨੇ। ਅੱਜ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਪੁਰਾਣੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਗੈਸਟ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ, ਆਏ ਆ ਪੂਰਨਾ ਜੀ, ਤੇ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਨਾਲ ਅੱਜ ਰੂਬਰੂ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਇੰਟਰੋਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇਣਗੇ। ਮੈਂ ਇਹ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ 2024 ਵਿੱਚ, 1.25 ਸਾਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤੇ ਨੂੰ। ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਸਕਸੈਸਫੁਲ ਇਸ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਨੂੰ ਰਨ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ। ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਆ ਨਿਰਭਰ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਹੈਗਾ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਰੂਹ ਦੇ ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇ ਸੀ, ਉਹ ਰੂਹ ਦੇ ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇ ਬਣ ਗਏ ਜੋ ਕੱਲ ਤੱਕ ਅਣਜਾਣ ਸੀ, ਹਨਾ। ਤੇ ਨਿਰਭਰ ਅੱਜ ਪੂਰਨਾ ਜੀ ਤੇ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲੀ ਸੀਗੀ ਤੇ ਇੰਨੇ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਪਿਆਰੀਆਂ ਪਿਆਰੀਆਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਸੁਣਾਂਗੇ। ਹਾਂਜੀ ਪੂਰਨਾ ਜੀ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਪੇਜ ਤੇ ਆਏ ਹੋ। ਤੇ you can introduction yourself.
Sorry, I don't understand your language.
Hanji, now stage is yours, but
Okay.
today's live will be in Punjabi, Hindi, and English. So mix and match.
Okay.
Now stage is
So
yours.
please ask me in Hindi or English. I
Yeah,
don't understand Punjabi much. So
yeah, you will introduction yourself.
sure.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. My name is Purna. First of all, thank you so much, Raman and Devinder, for inviting me on your pages. And I am truly appreciated that. My name is Purna. I'm living in Toronto, Canada. And basically, I'm from Gujarat, India. Um, so it's been like I'm in the business for almost 3 years now, and I started this business with my full-time teaching job.
Okay. So, Purnima ji, what was the reason? Why did you join this business? Because you had already good job. So, why did you decide to come online?
Yeah, so in 2020, so I'm here in Canada since 2015.
Okay.
So we moved, me and my husband, and we are the first one in the family who moved to Canada. So of course, it's a first generation struggle was there. I was an occupational therapist in India, and I used to work with children who had special needs. I had my own clinic. I was running my own clinic, but when we moved here, Canada did not accept my degree. So I had to go back to school, and I studied again for 3 years, became a teacher, and started working as a teacher full time. But in 2020, I was pregnant with my first child, and at the same time, COVID hits, and I lost my job on the same week. So one side I was pregnant, I lost my job, and my husband is a doctor. In just same week, he also lost his job. So we
Oh,
both lost our job in the same week. So it was too much financial pressure on us. I was pregnant and we both were jobless suddenly. So it was like two professional paychecks to zero
Yeah.
suddenly in just same week.
Yeah.
And that hit so hard for us that we need to, no matter if you're a doctor, if you're a teacher, if you're anything in this country, you have to have plan B.
Yeah.
So we started looking for something that we could do, side by side. So then I was on my mat leave, and then my baby came, and it was this still COVID time. Once he was around 1 year, everything slowly started again after COVID. I started my job again, but then again there was a challenge because baby was there and I had to send him to daycare whole day long
Mhm.
because I was working full time. So that was a huge struggle. We are vegetarian, so he was struggling food wise as well over there, and he started daycare from very young age. So he was not really adjusting in daycare somehow, crying too much all day long, not eating. Of course, they were providing him a vegetarian food, but of course, it was not. It wasn't like roti and dal and rice and kind of
Yes.
things that he used to usually eat.
Yeah.
So it was a huge struggle
Mhm.
for him, food wise, and overall, he was not getting adjusted in daycare. And it was just going on like this. Side by side, we were searching for a lot of businesses at the same time. But
Mm.
we realized that any business need a huge investment.
Yeah.
So when there was a time come that we have to think about those investments, we
Mhm.
were thinking that we don't have that much money to put in upfront to
Yeah.
start any kind of business. And suddenly I saw someone's ad on Facebook, and I just started this journey in 2023
Mm.
with my full-time teaching job at the same time. But then slowly I moved this business as a full-time now.
Okay, that's great. Very great. I'm just gonna ask you, when you drop your kid at son at the daycare, how old he was?
He was 13 months when he started.
Yeah, so that's like a very starting point, right? It's.
Very young. Yeah, he was not even able to talk much.
Mhm.
So it was very young age to start. And I think that hit me so hard as a mom that
Yeah.
I don't want to. I mean, he still went for 2 years until
Oh,
I started this business. But yeah, the whole 2 years, I don't remember any single day that he enjoyed in daycare at all.
yeah. And you, I think you didn't have like a good memories either. Like when, like something he did the very first time, you didn't able to see that, feel that, right?
Yeah, I missed a lot of moments because what was happening was he was so young when he started, and I used to leave home by me and him both by 7:30 in the morning, or
Mm.
maximum by 8 o'clock. So because I had to reach to my job on time, I had to drop him first to daycare. So
Yeah.
for that he has to wake up early
Yeah.
and making him ready for very young age,
Yeah.
waking up. And because he was not eating in daycare, so as a mom I was feeling that he should eat at least little bit before he go. And he didn't want to eat because it was, I think, too early for him to eat morning 7 o'clock. So it
Mm.
was a huge chaos every single morning.
Yeah.
I was always in the rush. Then when I finished my job, I used to pick him up after that, and that
Mhm.
is around 5.
Yeah.
So whole day long, almost 8 to 5, he was staying in the daycare,
Mm.
just staying at the door, not sleeping, not eating. He
Mm.
was just waiting for me all the time, not
Yeah.
really enjoying much in the daycare.
Yeah.
So it was a huge struggle. And of course, because we are in Canada, after coming back home, we are again in the kitchen finishing dinner and cleaning and other
Yeah.
stuff. So I literally didn't have time to spend with him.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, Purnaji, how did you find this business?
So I found this from Facebook. I watched some other moms ad. So I was watching many ads. I didn't know what is that, and as everybody think that maybe it's not real or it's a scam or anything. And being a teacher and a therapist, I never worked online in my whole life, and I was not tech savvy at all. So I didn't even know how to work on laptop, honestly,
Okay.
not much. So when I was watching others ad, I was thinking this is not, I cannot do, or maybe I don't know whether it's a right business or not.
Mhm.
But I still, watch someone's ad, and one day I don't know what happened to me, and I'm like, let me just watch that free webinar, and
Mhm.
that's how I started.
That's good.
That's nice.
Yes.
I'm gonna ask you a question, Purnimaji. Like, every you said every business need to be we have to be invest before we start, right? That's true because it's a business. But
Yeah.
then, how did you manage the investment part? Like, you didn't have a job before, right? So, how did you manage that? And how was your husband's reaction when you start this business?
So, first question, how did I manage my
Yeah.
finance?
Yeah.
Honestly, when I started this business, I didn't have money, much saving, even though I was working in school. All the money, whatever I was earning, was going to pay the bills, and I was not ended up saving much overall.
Hmm.
So I didn't have, but then I used some, my husband supported me a little bit, and I had some saving, and that's how we together started. My husband was from very first day, he was very supportive to me for this business, luckily. So I didn't have a skeptical husband or anything.
That.
So that was my plus point, that I didn't have to worry about things. In fact, he is helping me in my, he is not in the business, but he knows some things even better than me, and
Yeah.
he helped me in many ways too. Especially, as I said, I'm not that tech savvy, so he's helping me for many things.
Oh,
Very
that's
kind.
It's really good.
yeah.
Purna.
Yeah.
When we have a support from family, do you know like result is like very different, right?
Of course. Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's true.
And I have one question. Some of them like they want to join the business, but they really want to know when we are joining the business, and then we will say like you have to like spend the money like their USD 149 is refundable in 30 days if you want to do it, but they don't want to go like next. They were still over there thinking what they can do it.
Um, let's say, so this morning only somebody was asking me this question. One of my leads, she was like, "You tell me everything, and why I have to pay 149."
Yeah.
Yes.
So I just gave her answer this morning.
Okay.
So I usually tell people that, see, first of all, 149 is refundable, so there is nothing to worry about. We always say that, and
Mhm.
it's not just we are saying. I myself had a lot of you know refund people to whom I process refund for them, and they always get their money back. So there is, it's not a scam, or they're not losing this money, first of all.
Yeah.
Second is, so once they pay 149, they are getting multiple things. First of all, if they are really very serious to learn about the business, then they have to do that,
Mhm.
because there are about 2 hours of videos. As a human being, it's not possible for us to say everything. We may miss
Yes.
some points, and definitely we miss them. So
Yeah.
better they watch the videos at their own convenience, at their own time, because they, and once they get a 30 days trial, they will have the whole 30 days to watch. If they
Yeah.
want to show their husband or wife or whatever, they
Yeah.
can do it.
Mhm.
other thing is in that 30 days trial period, there are lots of clarity comes in because everybody wants to know inside out about the business, and by taking that 30 days trial they will get all those things. And not only that, they are also getting chance to enter into our private community, our business community on Facebook, where they, deep dive and they see real people like you and me who
Yeah,
are doing this business. And that gives them confidence as well that no, it's not a scam, it's a real business. And if we all can do it, they can do it as well. So I
yeah,
usually tell them, if they still do not agree, I would say, if you are a family of three or four and if you are going on restaurant, you never think. If you don't want to cook, you just go.
Yeah.
And there are many times it happens that these days in social media era, if we watch the reel on Instagram that this is the new restaurant in our city, we always want to go and try. And
yeah,
when we go and try, doesn't necessarily we like the food. Whether
yeah,
we like it or not, we are not getting that 149 back
Yeah.
or
yeah,
whatever the money you are paying.
yeah,
Plus, there are chances you may get sick next day.
Yeah.
yes, yeah,
But in this business, it's nothing like that.
yeah,
You, if you don't like what you are watching, you can get your refund back.
yeah,
So I must say that whoever is just sitting on the fence, 149 is not only the process you have to go through for this business, but if you are really interested, this is something that can open the door for the future. So it is must to do it. We are not thinking even if we order something from Amazon
yeah,
or online, sometimes we don't like, and when we check the refund policy, we may miss to check before, and then we realize, oh, I cannot even send it back and get my refund back.
Yeah.
But in our business, it's not like that.
Yeah.
that's true.
Yeah.
Very
Yes.
great example you gave us.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm gonna ask you one more thing, Purnima ji. When like in this, when you start this business, right? In the beginning, we know we have a training, we have to watch that, and then we have to implement those things, right? The in that learning mode, when you didn't get any like paycheck or any commission, how do you feel that time? Like, did you feel like this, I'm just still learning, I didn't get anything, like that kind of stuff? Because I'm asking because some people, most of the people ask like how did you, how much you make in a day, in a week, or in a month, and when you start getting paid. That's why I'm asking this.
So first of all, this is not a get rich quick scheme. It's a real business, and
Mhm.
it's not a job as well that today you join and in 15 days you're gonna get your first paycheck.
Mhm.
It's a business, so business takes time to learn and grow.
Mhm.
Everybody has their own journey to in the business. Even
Mhm.
if you have a restaurant and in your neighborhood in the same complex the other person comes with the same restaurant, maybe your restaurant works and the other ones doesn't work and doesn't really get that much customers that you
Mhm.
are getting. Same in our business, that it may take time, but if your journey is slow, that does not mean that you are failing or you are not good enough, because everybody has their own journey. And the paycheck definitely, I must say that doesn't matter what profession you are from. In
Mhm.
this business, the business is still new for you.
Yeah,
So your first paycheck may be very small or
yeah,
maybe very big. We never know. Like it depends on how they starts. But it doesn't matter whether it's small or big. What matter is you are getting something that you are creating for your own, you are building for your own future, and that may create the possibility in the future that you may come out of your current circumstances, whichever it is, because everyone have their own whys to join the business. And when we join the business, of course money comes first. So we all want a financial freedom, but that does not mean that comes in 1 year or 1 month or like that. It takes time. So yeah, everybody has a different journey and different feeling. For me, it took me almost 6 months to got my first paycheck. So there are people who are getting in their first month, and there are people who doesn't get for 2 years. But it's up to you how much efforts and committed you are,
Yeah, that's true. Depending on the person, how they want.
how much consistency you are maintaining with the business.
That's true. When I get my first paycheck, it was like 1 year, I think 4 or 5 months later. That was my first paycheck. I
Yeah,
was not like upset or anything because I was doing two jobs that time. I was learning that time too, right? So, and I
of
was new.
course.
It's a different thing, not a job, right? It's a business. I need to learn first, then I can, right? So now it's I'm home, no job, right? So it's slowly,
That's
slowly,
amazing. Yeah.
yeah. जी देविंदर जी.
Hanji, Poorna ji, when you started the business, right? Like your family is, I know your husband is fine with that. Your other family member, like your mom, dad, they were saying that is scam or anything.
No,
Okay.
because actually in my family they don't know much about what am I doing. So they don't care much what am I doing. But yes, everybody is supported enough for me to whatever I'm doing. So that, I think that's a plus point for me.
That's really good. Because when I started, my like family was fine, but my relative, oh, you're stuck in the scam.
That's
Instead of them,
relatives never be happy from you.
yeah,
My relatives,
uh,
so that's true.
yeah, it can happen. I can understand it can happen with many people. I don't have much family here, so in Canada, so I don't have to worry about much about those things.
that's true.
And then also like it's a we can say like in a outside countries like Canada, America, any of the country, we have to go outside and do the job, earn the money, come home, and to our responsibilities fulfill, right? So nobody can do that. We have to do it, right? So I think we all are capable to make a decision for our life, for our kids and family. Then we can do something different where we get like lots of things, right? And that's
Yeah.
the plus point. So Purnamaji, I'm gonna ask you, how was your life before? Already told us like you didn't have a job, you were kind of struggling, right? But the personal life, like as a family wise, how was your life before joining the business, and how is now? What things are changed?
Now I have a lot of time for me, for my son, for my family. We
Mhm.
can travel more. Um, so it's very I have a huge flexibility now in my life, which I never had before. After at least after coming to Canada, I never saw that flexibility in my life because we are always stuck in the Monday to Friday grind,
Yeah.
and we don't have much leave to go back home. But
Hmm.
after starting this business, I could go home, could go to India multiple times. I could bring my son. He's 5 years old, and I could already bring him 4 times for long vacations to India. So
Yeah.
that way he can connect with the culture, with family,
Mhm.
and everybody. Not only that, last year my dad was in his last stage of life, and because of this business, I could stay there for almost 4 months with him before he passed away. But if I would have my job, I don't think I could do that because nobody is giving 4 months leave in Canada. But because I had that business, so I just bring my laptop and phone we always have with us. So I was working from there at the same time I was, taking care of my family and being with my dad. And it's a great blessing because when we are away from our parents and if they are in this situation,
Yeah.
mostly either we lose to meet them, or we go once after we get the news that they are no more. So yeah, it was great. And so my life has changed a lot after, uh, regardless of paychecks and money coming in, there are so many other things which I'm getting from this business.
Oh,
So
that's great. I'm
yeah,
so sorry to hear
Yeah,
your loss.
that's
yeah, that's okay.
It's
I
because
have,
it's change in your life, right? So
yeah.
yeah. जी
Uh,
धन्यवाद.
yeah, when you started the business, right? You was doing full time or part time?
So I was working full time as a teacher, and then I was just working on this business every day, like 1 hour, 2 hours. During weekend and long weekend, I used to give little more time, and that's how I started. So it was pretty much part time only.
Same like me. I started part time too.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
That's great. So now you're more happy, right? Mama is 24/7 with him, right?
yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's very different. Very different.
Purnima ji, um, thank you so much for your time and your story. It's really touchy. Um, do you want to say anything in this and special message to our viewers who are still sitting? They already give us their name and email address, but they didn't watch the webinar yet, and or who are already watched the webinar, they're still thinking to pay the 149. You're gonna say anything special message for them?
Yeah, so my message to them is, as I said before, that I always tell my whoever is inquiring with me, I'm always telling them that pay your 149, get your 30 days trial, and see, at least give your due diligence if you really want to change something. If nothing changes, then nothing changes. If you want to change your life, then you have to take at least that much risk, because business always comes with risk, and this is not even risk.
Yeah,
The 149 is, if you don't like what you are watching, you can get your money back for sure. So it's not even a risk. We It's a wrong word for in our business, that it's take a risk.
yeah,
That's not even a risk, and just see what's possible in this business and decide, because we this in this business, it's we are not chasing people, or if they will say no, that's perfectly fine.
yeah.
Not all businesses are for everyone,
That's
but until and unless if you do not uh, do, and if you do not go through the both the steps, you will not know that what exactly you are missing. So that's what my message, that just get your 30 days trial and see, and then decide whether you want to join. Because I think many people, they think that if they pay 149, that means they are joining the business, and then they are getting calls and they are getting work. But
yeah,
it's not like that in our business. I always make sure to tell people that
yeah.
it's not like that.
Hmm. Thank you.
that's true. And thanks, Poona ji, you came our page, and that's very respectfully. Like we feel so happy
Thank you so
you're
much.
here and so proud of you. You got so many things. Then you still like doing so like so good your business, and we are partner of the business. Like everybody doing same business, and feel like so proud of for everybody body too, because we are making our life and other life. And if somebody interested in the business, they can you guys join with me on the Rajan or Poornaji for everyone. Uh, thanks, guys. Yeah,
Yeah, if you are still watching till now, live or replay, that's mean this is the right sign from God's side to you. It's God opened new door for you. You need to come inside, check the opportunity, as Purnima ji explained everything very well. If you related to her story, then you can reach out to her as well. Her name is Purnima Jani. She's from Toronto, and you can contact with anyone like Purnima ji, Davinder ji, or me. And thank you so much, Purnima ji. It
Thank you
was
very much. Thanks for the invitation. Thanks.
thank
Yeah.
you, and have a great day, everyone. God bless you all. See you again.